You guys had to do for me only that part of the question. So the important thing is you need to go look. The budget, I'm going to look if the transaction that they give me is going to influence cash, which is basically your bank. So if bank is part of the equation, it will influence my budget. Right. The income statement is literally like your income statement, but just for the month. So it's only nominal accounts. So when I did that example with the telephone, you were fine. And if I look at cash sales, I know my bank will increase with the cash sales, but my income will increase with the total sales. And there's also cost of sales. If I do question 2 says total depreciation on fixed assets. Now, if I look depreciation, that is not cash. So it means my cash budget will not have any influence on it. But what will happen is the depreciation will. So they say it's for the year 17 whatever. I only want for the month. So I divide it by 12 and then my expense will be, anybody? Like this. Question 3, transaction 3. Transaction 3, they say cash receipts. So immediately I know budget. From debtors are 62,200. So I receive 62,200. That does not influence income and expenses. But we have discount to 150, and that's a expense. Okay. Number 4. Number 4, an installment on the loan is expected to be paid. 460 is interest on loan. So the cash part is the 8,460. But the interest is the 460. Okay, the loan itself does not influence my income and expenses. Is everybody sharp with us? Yeah. Okay, so what you're now going to do, and I give you, I see the debtors collection, 5 marks. So I'm going to give you 5 minutes, then I will mark it. Okay, so if I look at the debtors recon, debtors analysis, debtors whatever, the first thing I see is they tell me debtors pay in this pattern. Can you see they only pay twice? And they don't tell me the bad debts, but you can calculate it. You can see 100 less that is going to give me 5%. So sometimes they don't give it to you, and then in the paper they ask you how much is the bad debts. Okay, so now I say 40% pay in the month of the transaction. So this is 0.1. Okay, and there's discount of 2.5. So now I need information to see what is, they already gave me my credit sales, right? So I can just go calculate. So September is 0, October is 1. It's already done. Nothing goes into November. October is 0, ne? November is 1. So November is going to be times 55%, and that gives me okay. Now November is 0 and nothing in October, ne? So November I'm going to say times 40%, times 97.5%. And that gives me 68,170.
172.
And then I total.
165,193.
And I total.
147,171.
171.
Okay. I'm not going to do this with you now. While we are on the numbers, I want you to finish for me the budget. And you should finish it now in class, that you don't have